Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to WatchBox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below. It is your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on any WatchBox platform. Please reach out to me for pricing, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. Today, we are discussing a 2021 model year, limited edition of 500 pieces in stainless steel. This is the Ming 37.05 Moonphase. The watch, 38 millimeters in diameter by 12.2 millimeters thick. From lug tip to lug tip, it's 44.7 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Let's throw the watch on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, and you can see it wears well. Being so compact at under 45 millimeters lug to lug, it wears well on a tiny wrist like mine, and it'll wear well on a smaller wrist down to 13 centimeters in circumference, so it's a unisex option. It's nice and flat, perfectly tailored to a sharp dress cuff or a short cuff height, and the watch is so short across the wrist that even when you look at it from over the top, you can see how much clearance I have. The strap is a Parisian-made Jean Rousseau high-end strap, the OEM supplier to, among others, FP Journe. It has a wonderful Barenia leather, black, semi-gloss on the top with a blue contrasting stitch. You can see it has a sheer-cut blued side and a wonderful velvety suede material on the bottom. It is quite impressive. The watch also comes with a leather travel pouch made in Malaysia by Studio Koji Sato. So if you love leather, the watch actually has a little bit more than what you see here. There's the strap, which is wonderfully luxurious, but then there's also the travel pouch. Taking a quick look at the buckle, it's a distinctive piece with evacuations, media blasted profiles, polishing across the top, and of course, Ming branded. The watch has lovely inward concave profiled lugs that flare at the ends, almost like what you'll see on a Grubel 4C. So there's a wonderful concave hollow, and then it comes out with a dramatic kick at the end. You can see that the lug hoods are polished, the bezel is polished, the case flank has a longitudinal satination. We have a sharply knurled, oversized Ming crown, and you can see that the watch also features a surprising amount of detail for an outwardly simple dial. Now first, we'll work from the outside in. You have a sapphire cap with laser etching into which high ceram ceramic-based lume is inserted. Now under that, we have a dark navy blue brass dial that has been remarkably engraved and grooved to create this wonderful fan-like pattern. And you can see it's not symmetrical all the way around. It's finer at its base, and the strakes are broader at the top. We then have two very simple hands, in this case flanking a Moonphase as well as a date. And this is the first Ming watch with a Moonphase and date. The watch also includes subsidiary setting modes, including a quick set for the date, as well as the Moonphase itself, so you can rapidly correct both of these functions. We'll do a quick lume shot. It is quite impressive in the dark. Turn off the light, and there you can see that it is robustly lumed and easy to distinguish. It's even quite well branded. As you can see, Ming made this in the dark. Just to remove all doubt, there is no lume on the opposite side. The watch uses a Sellita SW220 base, and it's been converted to a manual wind architecture. Taking a quick look at the watch, it features a panoply of colors: violet pivot jewels, golden wheels, blackened bridges and sectors, as well as silvered steel components. And it's quite attractive, all this water resistant down to 100 meters. So yes, it is very, very much swimmable. The timepiece has a manual wind 38-hour power reserve, pivots on 18 jewels. It beats away at 28,800 vibrations per hour, and it features that double quick set capability. And though it does not feature a seconds hand, it does retain the underlying SW220's hacking seconds feature. We have Edicron for fine adjustment of timing. And you can see that it's all been highly customized for Ming. They call this the SW288M1. Reach out to Team Mosso at thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details of this Ming 37.05 Moonphase.